Hello, Long Beach. My name is Rosa, and I'm the owner of West Coast Sweat, and I'm here with the very wonderful Christine McCauley, one of our fantastic teachers here in our studio. And today we want to talk to you about a very important posture in the Bikram Yoga series, and it's tree pose. Now, I'm going to tell you, too many people make this mistake. So when the teacher is going to set up tree pose, do you want to show them, Christine? Right away, they're going to go right there, boom, and they think they're done. There is so much that happens in this posture, and if you skip right to the end, you're gonna deny yourself the benefits to your hips. And we don't wanna do that, right? So it's very important. Let's break it down from the beginning. You wanna stand up nice and tall, right? This is still part of the balancing series of class. Now, shift your body weight to the left leg, but look forward as you grab your foot. So grab your right foot and bring it all the way up until your heel touches your costume. Make sure you're looking forward. Now, very gently allow your right knee to fall down. So take this time to create that awareness in your body. Allow your right knee to relax. Push your hips forward and gently push your right knee back, because the goal is that you want two knees in one line from the side. That's really good. So this is the same principle as triangle posture. Push your hips forward and gently right knee back. Now stretch your spine up towards the ceiling and suck your stomach in. You want two shoulders in one line and two hips in one line. Very good work. Now this is the cherry on the top, the very last part. Bring your right hand up to the center of your chest. If you can balance there, bring your left hand up and your palms together, namaskar. Now very good. Focus, one point in the mirror, concentrate. You got this. Healthy to your hips. We'll see you on your mat, and let us know what questions do you have. Post them in the comments, and we can't wait to practice with you. Have a good one. Oh, I should say change. There you go, Christine, change. You're probably like, oh my gosh.
Oh no, that's okay.